Okay, students. Now we'll see about operators in C programming. What is meant by operator? Operator is a symbol that is used to perform certain mathematical or logical operations. Operators is used to manipulate data and variables. Manipulate data means we should manipulate the data, that is addition, subtraction, or addition, subtraction, update, these kind of operations we can do it. Okay. And then types of operators. We have various categories of operators. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operator, conditional operators, bitwise operator, and then special operator. These are the 8 kind of operators in C programming. And then we will see about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators is used to perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then modulo. Modulo is used to return the remainder of division value. It is used to store the modulo means it is used to store the remainder value. Okay. And then example for arithmetic operators. This is the example program. In example program, we have declared two integers x and y, and then we have given the variable values, and then first printf statement we have done the arithmetic operations, and then subtraction, and then multiplication, division, and all. The second operator is relational operator. Relational operators is used to compare between two operands. We should need two operands and then one operators. What are they means? It will return the terms of true or false. We have relational operators. They are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and then less than or equal to, the last one is not equal to. These are the relational operators. The example program for relational operators, here integer a comma b, we should these are the operands. A and B are the operands. We need some operators. Enter value for A and B. We should give the input value A and B, and then it will get in scanf, it will get the value for A and B. It will calculate the A value, A greater than B, and then A greater than or equal to B, A less than B, A greater than or equal to B. These are the relational operators. And then logical operators. Logical operators is used to compare or evaluate logical or relational operations. There are following logical operators we have given in the table: operators, description, and example. First of all, we'll see about and operator. It is called logical and operator. Logical and operator. If both the operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. Then it will already, we saw about it, the condition is true, will give the false. And then next operator is OR operator. If any of the two operands is non-zero, then the condition becomes true. Then example A and operator B is true. Then not operator. It is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then logical not operator will make it false. For example, program integer a comma b printf. In printf, we should give the variables values for a and b. Then it will get the a value and b value. Then after that, will calculate the a less than b and operator a not or equal to b will calculate the logical and operator. And then one more is logical or operator. Okay. Then assignment operator. Assignment is used to assign a constant or a value of one variable to another. It is an assignment operator. You can use the assignment for multiple assignment. For example, a equal to y, x equal to y, y equal to z, z equal to 20. So 20 is equal to x, y, z. Wherever we are using these variables, the values are 20 only. And then increment operator. Increment operator or increases the value of subsequent. Increment operator are two types of operator. For example, post increment and then pre-increment. Post increment means after the variable, it will increment the numbers. And then pre-increment means before variable, we should use the increment operator. Same like that, decrement operator. It is used to decrease the value to on, so on. Decrement operator also two type as post increment and then pre-increment. For example, increment and decrement operators, integer a comma b comma c, we are giving the value for a and b, and c is used to store that output. Then in scanf statement, it will get the a and b value. It will print the c value. C equal to plus plus a. It is the pre-increment. And then one more printf statement, c equal to a plus plus, post increment. And then c equal to minus minus b. It is the pre-decrement. And then c equal to b minus minus, post decrement. So output is enter the value of a and b. 3, 7 means the value of c is, that is the value of c. Plus plus a means 4. And then a plus plus means it is also 4. And then c equal to decrement operator. That is the pre-decrement operator. So it will minus one number. So c equal to 6. And then post decrement, it is value also 6. And then conditional operator. There are also called as ternary operator. They are also called as ternary operators. Ternary operators takes on 3 arguments. What are they means? Expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Expression 1 is the condition. Expression 2 is statement followed if condition is true. Expression 2 is statement followed if condition is false. For example, integer a comma b comma x. And then printf statement, enter the value of a and b. And then we are getting the value for a and b. Then x equal to, here some operations. What operations we are using? A greater than b, and a, here we are using three expressions. Then we should calculate the biggest value. So which one is the biggest value? It will print either A or B. And then bitwise operator. One of the powerful features is a set of bit manipulation operators. There are various bitwise operators in C as following. Then and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, shift left, right shift, bitwise not. These are the bitwise operators. The bitwise AND takes two numbers as operands and does AND on every bit of two numbers. So we need two operands and bitwise AND one is operators. The result of AND is 1 only if both bits are 1. Then bitwise OR operator. It will also take two numbers as operands and does OR on every bit of two numbers. The result of OR is 1. Any of the two bits is 1. And then bitwise XOR. Two operands and XOR one operator, every bit of two numbers. The result of XOR is 1. If the two bits are different, then only bitwise XOR equal to 1. And then left shift takes two numbers. Left shift the bits of first operand, the second operand decides the number of places to shift. That is the left shift. And then right shift. It takes two numbers. Right shift the bits of first operands. First operands only shift the operators. The second operands decide the number of places to shift. And then last one in bitwise operator is bitwise not. Takes one number and inverts all bits of 8. Then special operator. Special operator. There are many special operators used in C programming. Comma operator, size of operator. These are the very important in special operator, because comma operators is used to separate the variables. We should use more variables. So it is used to separate the all variables. And then size of operators. Okay. Evaluate comma operator left to right. Uses of comma operators as following: multiple declaration, multiple initialization, multiple variation, multiple statements. Example of comma operators: x equal to 12, comma, y equal to 10, comma, z equal to 18. These are the three kind of variables we have declared using the comma operator. And then for loop. Now it is used to not only for separating the variables, and we are using in loops. For loop. For loop I equal to 0. We are initializing the I value, comma, j equal to 0, and then j value also we are initializing, and then I less than 5, comma, j less than 5, semicolon, and then increment or decrement operator, I plus plus, comma, j plus plus. So in for loop, we are using the comma operator. And then size of operator. Size of operator is used to calculate the size of the data. Size of the data. For example, how many bits a specific data having. Syntax of size of operator, size of variables. Size of variables. In function, we should give the variable size. Okay. Example, size of A. A is a variable where A is a integer value. It will return the integer value. Okay. Thank you.